Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you learn to use revolution and thickness. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this sketch here. Only this part here. Okay. So we will create this line. The distance between this point here and the midpoint, 260, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint, 660. And here we will create a line here with 316 millimeters of length. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select polyline, click here, make this sketch here, and go to dimension. The distance here 260 millimeters and the distance here 660 millimeters, and the length of this line here is 316. And here we will create another line with 54 millimeters of length, and we will create this arc here with 370 millimeters of radius. We'll select the line, click at this point, 54 millimeters, and go to arc from 3 point, select this point and this point here, make an arc here, and go to dimension. The radius here is 370 millimeters. Let me move this dimension here a little bit. We made this profile, so leave the sketch. And go to Revolve, and the type angle, the angle here 360 degrees, and press OK. We made this, and now we will show this body. The thickness of this body is 10 millimeters. So go to thickness, and here select this face, the face that we want to remove, and the thickness here is 10 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create the base of this body. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here we will create a line with 260 millimeters and create a line here with 54 millimeters and create this line, and the distance between this point and the midpoint 51 millimeters. So go to polyline, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, and go to dimension. The distance here 260, 54 millimeters here, and the distance between this point and the midpoint is 51 millimeters. Let me move this dimension here a little bit. And now we will create this line and this line here. And here we have an arc with 10 millimeters of radius. So select polyline, make a line here, and make another line here, and go to arc from 3 points, click here in this point and in this point, make an arc here, and go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this line, this arc and this line here, and go to dimension. The radius here 10 millimeters, and this line here has 260 millimeters minus 10. So selected this line, 250 millimeters. And now leave the sketch and go to Revolve again. The angle 360 and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next two videos. Bye bye.